How to create a new Yahoo email account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your preferred browser and then simply search for Yahoo sign up. And then go to create a Yahoo account. Now all you have to do is enter your full name and then create a new Yahoo email address. Enter your password, your date of birth, and then tap on next. Now, in order to verify, you will get an option of adding your phone number, and after doing that, a verification code will be sent to your phone number via WhatsApp, and then your account will be created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.